Look at this guy. He actually thinks that a chiseled jawline and perfect skin are just genetics. He has no idea that his everyday habits are silently destroying his face. Breathing wrong, slouching, eating like trash. Your face is built by what you do every day, not just DNA. This video will teach you 7 habits that are ruining your face and how to reverse them. You're breathing wrong. Let's start with the silent killer mouth breathing. You think it's harmless? Look at old photos of Messi. When he was younger, he breathed through his mouth. His face was narrow and recessed. That's no coincidence. Mouth breathing weakens your jaw, ruins dental alignment, and gives your face that soft look. Breathe through your nose. Close your mouth at rest. Over time, this reshapes your face. Wider jaw, better symmetry, stronger appearance. Attractiveness is learned. Think attractiveness is 100% genetic? Wrong. In a study, newborn babies, who know nothing about beauty, stared longer at attractive faces. We're hardwired to notice symmetry, clear skin, and strong structure. But guess what? Those traits are trainable. Your habits either enhance or destroy them. It's not about filters or surgery. It's about improving what nature gave you. Stop faking it. You've seen them, people with that weird plastic look. Something just feels off. That's called the uncanny valley. When you alter your face too much, people subconsciously get creeped out. It's not just about looking good. It's about looking human. Focus on enhancing your natural features. Fitness, grooming, confidence. That's how you turn heads without looking fake. Your posture is sabotaging you. A weak jawline often starts with poor posture. When you slouch, your head tilts forward and your jaw recedes. It wrecks your neck, your alignment, and your appearance. Stand straight, shoulders back, tongue to the roof of your mouth. Your posture literally sculpts your face over time. Fixing it makes you look more confident and more masculine. Sugar is making you puffy. That soft, bloated face? Thank sugar. The average person consumes over 200 grams of sugar daily without realizing it. Sugary drinks, snacks, sauces, it all adds up. Cut sugar, drink more water, add lemon, use stevia. Simple switch equals 900 fewer calories per day. In 8 days, that's 1 kilogram of fat gone, mostly from your face. Your face is a muscle. Just like your body, your face reacts to how you train it. Look at fitness models like David Lade. That jawline isn't just genetics, it's posture, lifting, chewing, tongue position. When your head and neck align properly, your jawline naturally sharpens. Start chewing tougher foods. Sleep with your mouth closed. Use your face like it was designed, and you'll see it change. Modern life is killing your looks. 150 years ago, being overweight was a freak show. Now, it's the normal. Processed food, soft routines, sedentary life. Governments and brands don't care about your health. They want your money. And if you don't take control, you'll become another statistic. Don't normalize mediocrity. Take control of your body, your habits, and your face. Because out in the real world, looks matter, and you can change yours. You're not stuck with the face you have. You're just stuck in the habits that built it. Fix the habits and watch everything change. Hit that like button if you're done making excuses. Subscribe for more no BS guides to upgrade your life, starting with your face.